it's Baby 9000 here, and today I'm going to do a mail time. So, some people sent me some gifts, and so I decided I would make a video out of it, and I'm going to give shout-outs to those people who did gift me. And I think I have about 5 gifts. So let's start with Mini Lover 88. Okay, she gave me bone claws. Those look pretty cool. Actually, I've wanted some of those, and I wasn't able to get them before, so this is really cool. So, thanks, Mini Lover 88. Cool. Okay, so, then there's Fluffy Snow 99. A friendship bracelet. Thank you, Fluffy Snow 99. Maja 777 win. Ooh, rare shamrock glasses. Thank you. Now I have another pair of these. They're rare, so thank you, Maja 777 win. Okay, LPS 7592 gave me a window. Thanks. Actually, I sort of like how it looks. It's interesting. It has a cloud in the background. Whew. Okay, so load, please. Okay. Thank you, LPS 7592. And here's the last one. So nice. Mustache! Yes! I like mustaches. Except for, unless they're not colored, like a special color, then I don't like them. But otherwise, colored mustaches are cool. So thank you so much, Fluffy Snow, again. Fluffy Snow 99. Sorry if I mispronounced any of your names, people who mailed me a gift, but hope you enjoyed this video of people gifting me. Hopefully you will too. I really would like it if you could do that. I enjoy getting gifts from people, no matter what they are, because it shows that people are like supporting me and all of that. So thank you so much, those who mailed me, and hopefully I'll make another video soon. This was Baby 9000. Goodbye.